So I just want to say a huge congratulations on making it to this part of the course. At this point, you've learned the basics of HTML. There's still a few things to learn, and maybe things don't look too pretty yet, and you're thinking, well, it doesn't really look like a proper website that you'd see every day. But we'll be getting to that when we go into the next section on CSS, which is how to style the websites. But I can't put enough emphasis on how important HTML is in order to be able to do any web development. It really comes from knowing the basics of HTML, from which you can create so many cool things. So at this point you've learned how to create web pages, how to create headers, paragraphs, links, images, lists and tables. All the basic elements that make a website. And at this point I want to help you to solidify all these basic elements of HTML so that you feel confident enough that yes, you can create a basic website at this point. And like I say, although it doesn't look all that pretty at the moment, I really mean it when I say you've learned the really important fundamentals of HTML now. So you're able to create the basic stuff from which you can create so many cool things. And once you've learned how to style websites, you'll realize just how often the basic things that you've used are just used over and over and over. So to that end, I want to lead you into this practical project which shows you how to, well, it gets you to start practicing all the things we've been learning about. Headers, lists, links, paragraphs, text formatting, images, tables, all that kind of stuff. So let's get started, because I really enjoyed creating this one. Basically, the requirements for this website is I want you to create a website that has 3 different pages. That's right. So as you can see at the top here, we have home, animals and prices. And if I click on any of these, animals, prices, it takes me to a different page. So you'll need to think about how we were doing linking previously to get us towards the different HTML pages. On the home page, I want you to basically just include an image and a bit of text to introduce, say, hi, welcome to our zoo, what would you like to do, and then have a little link that can take you to one of these pages that's above. We call that a call to action. So on the next page, animals, just have some images that include some names. So this is a crocodile named Joey, whatever you like. Kangaroo called Billy Hop Pop. It doesn't really matter about the names, I was just being a bit silly. But the important thing is to include images, and when you click on the image, it takes you to the website Wikipedia, which describes what a crocodile is in more details. On the third page, which is the prices, this is where you'll be using both tables to show, right, okay, this is the, for example, ticket type, price and info, and then a list showing what the terms and conditions are. Okay, so get started on the home page. Have this unordered, actually I'll try not to give you too many hints, but create a home page that lets you navigate to the different pages. Have one for animals and one for prices. Try to include a table, some lists and some images that link to external websites. So have a go yourself, see how far you get. I'm sure you can do better than you think you can do, and just give it your best try, and then in the next lecture I'll be showing you how this can be done. Okay, best of luck.